Hi, I'm Jennifer Killinger with Plastics Make It Possible, and I'm here today to talk about some tips for recycling more of the plastics we use every day, and to talk about some of the really fun and innovative products that are made from recycled plastics. So, in terms of how to get started recycling, the best thing to do is to check with your municipality. You can do a search online and find out exactly which plastics it is that they're collecting. Usually, there are at least two categories of plastics that are recycled. One of them is bottles and containers, and in most communities across the United States, they do collect plastic bottles, and more areas are also starting to collect plastic containers. For bottles, you want to make sure that you put the caps back on the bottles because recyclers want those too. You also want to think about all the great plastics that you use in the kitchen, things like beverage bottles and milk jugs, but we also want to think outside the kitchen for things like bottles for laundry detergent and shampoo and conditioner, things that we use in other rooms. The second category of plastics that I'm going to talk about are flexible packaging plastics, and those include things like bags from grocery stores, bags from your dry cleaning, the bags that come around your newspaper, and a whole lot of product wraps, such as the wraps that come around bread, as well as the liners in cereal and cracker boxes, the wraps that come across cases of soda, even the wraps that come around diapers and baby wipes if you're a parent like I am. That's all great material. All we have to do is fold it up, put it in a recyclable plastic bag, and on your next trip to a major grocer or a major retailer like Target and Lowe's, bring it back with you and drop it off on the way in. So, rule of thumb, bottles and containers go curbside, flexible packages go back to grocery stores. So what all becomes of this good plastic material? Well, I've got some really fun products to talk about today. Right here is a fuzzy pet bed that's made from 20 recycled beverage bottles. So if you've got a dog or cat and want to give them some TLC this holiday season while also doing something that's good for the environment, this bed makes a really great gift idea. We've also got a lot of clothing that is being made from recycled plastics. Everything from performance athletic wear to comfy soft t-shirts, even high-end handbags and fashion earrings are being made from recycled plastics these days. We've also got some great shoes, great sneakers. These are made by New Balance. New Balance uses 8 recycled beverage bottles to make these shoes, and these are made with a different type of plastic. These are made from the same kind of plastic as your yogurt cups. So we can see every little bit of plastic that we can get into the recycling bin really helps to make a difference. Some of my favorite products are some of the things that are being used in the kitchen. And the same plastic packages that we use to help extend the shelf life of our food for days or weeks can be recycled into durable products that we use in the kitchen. Things like mixing bowls and colanders, measuring cups, and even this cutting board. I, as a parent, keep a stack of cutting boards in my kitchen because we're always cutting up food for my toddler. And I think this particular cutting board makes a wonderful gift for the holidays. If you want to leave it behind as a hostess gift, you can bring it in with you, serve your appetizers or your cookies on it, and again, leave it behind with your hostess to share a little holiday cheer and also do something good for the environment. For more tips on how to recycle plastics and for more cool and innovative products that are being made from recycled plastics, visit plasticsmakeitpossible.com.